Happy birthday! Ikaw ang the best ninong in the world. Happy birthday, Kuya MJ! Happy birthday, Kuya MJ! God bless you.
Hi, Kuya MJ! Happy birthday! God bless! Ingat ka always! Bye! To you!
Hey! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Busy kayong Pilipinas, mas busy din sa London, pero kami tayo busy way kwarta. See you sa muli. Sa July. Oh, so excited namin nga makita ka na sana magkaroon pa ng mas mahabang buhay. Sa kasal. Kana lang. Kay, dali ko, kay malakaw ko. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, MJ!
Hi, happy birthday, MJ!
Bye-bye. MJ, good morning. How are you now? MJ, happy birthday. Good luck for your work now.
Happy birthday! So, I know you hate me. Well, I miss you too. I know it's kinda late. Happy birthday. It's not happy birthday. I don't care. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy
Happy birthday. Wish you all the happiness to your life and success in your career. And thank you for the blessings na share mo sa amin sa aming struggle sa aming struggles sa aming pamilya. Thank you so much. And wish you all the happiness and take care always because we love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, pre. Ingat. Happy birthday.
Hello MJ, happy birthday. God bless you more and see you soon. I love you. Bye-bye, anak.
Hello, MJ. Happy birthday. Kunya na ang kaunan hay ug inuman pag-abot nimo diri sa Davao. Davao del Sur. Ingon lay ka Digos daw. Davao del Sur, Digos. Ji, para 27 karon o 28 ang edad nimo. Tama-tama na dyan, no? Yeah, happy birthday. Ayaw na diha, Jay. Hasta sa pagbiyahe na ingon diri. Yung Laika, I love you daw.
Happy birthday, Jay. Ingat always na ayo sa work. Pero nakaking sabo.
Hi Kuya MJ, happy birthday. Ingat lagi. Alagaan mo sarili mo, lalo na si Ate Lady. We love you. Bye-bye.
Oh, ayan. Mas malaki pa rin yung katawan ko sa'yo. Happy birthday, babe. 28 ka na. Matanda ka na. Naku, sabi.
We found that we could not make sense. Well, you said that we would still be